Hello. So, what promotion resources are available to affiliates within NinjaChat? So, if we come down to frequently asked questions, click here, we can see that they provide the answer. They say, NinjaChat, we provide a comprehensive suite of marketing materials, including banners, text links, and product images. You'll be able to access these through the affiliate dashboard for custom materials. Simply email team@ninjachat.ai. Plus, you'll have access to real-time performance tracking tools to monitor your referrals and earnings. The possible earnings are listed here, and if you come to pricing, you'll see more options here. Now, if you have any other questions about NinjaChat, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you with a solution as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe if this was helpful.